here's how to use our Blue Haven Propane Fire Pit. First step is to take the straps off of the fire pit. You do so by pulling down, and it releases them. Release all 4 sides. Then remove the lid. Remove the owner's manual. Go ahead and undo your hose. We're going to come over to the propane tank. Now you'll notice there's a ring. Make sure this propane tank is inside the ring. Then we're going to take our valve and make sure to fully twist this onto your propane tank so it's nice and tight. And we're going to slowly open, where it says open, open your propane tank. All right. Now we're going to come back over to the fire pit. And on the far side over here, you're going to see the valve. So to turn the knob, push it in and go all the way to the left. Place your lighter down in the rocks. And light it. It's hard to see in the video, but you have a nice roaring warm fire. When you're done using the fire, push the knob, turn it all the way to the right until it turns off. Now we're gonna let these rocks cool for a while. So let's unhook the hose from the propane tank. Make sure you turn off the valve before you take the hose off. Unhook the valve. Wrap the hose back around the fire pit. We're going to bring that hose nice and high because our straps are going to go around those as well. We're going to place the bubble wrap back over this nozzle so we don't get any dirt or debris inside of it. Then we're going to bring our straps over and make sure you put your straps on with the hook facing down. And then we're going to go around and hook there, and the other side, and clip it on all 4 sides of your fire pit.